Hey guys, this is Joey Ringo's Fun TV, and today is a bit of an unusual video, but I found like a really cool couple of noises. So I'm gonna do them and I'll teach you how to do them. So first I'm gonna do a cow. Just you gotta like wiggle your throat. And if you want to sound like a real cow, you gotta go. Some people find it hard. You gotta use like the back of your throat and go like that, and then you go. And to sound like a real one, you breathe in at the end like. So, yeah. The second one is a racing car. You've got to wet your lips and go. Now, next one is a duck. Oh, sorry. The racing car one, you put your lips close, but like that. So one's inside and one's just like not touching anything. So it's like. And then you just blow through the tiny small hole through here like. Okay, so like duck one, yeah, duck one. You ready? So that one you just still use the back of your throat. Next one is a motorbike, and you also use the back of your throat for this one. So please subscribe, like, and comment and whatever. So yeah. Now I've got another video or two, and I'm going to do a special call out for my friend who also has a YouTube channel, and it's no. I'll be out in a sec. A video. Okay. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, so a call out to Kira McGee. Now, if you type her name into YouTube, just type Kira McGee, like Magee. It's a weird surname, but you know. And her little sister has Yes You Dan TDM. She is a huge fan of you, and she has a secret crush on you. Okay. But yeah, that's her little sister, and so for little Isabel, I'm gonna do a call out to you, Dan TDM, and that is the Dan TDM. None of you keep saying, "Oh, thanks, I'll be on her video," because you will not, and I will make sure. So yeah, enough of the mean stuff. So yeah, and that should be done. Thanks, and this is Joey Ringo's Fun TV. Goodbye.